Today we are going to show you how to insert different page border in different pages in Microsoft Word like this. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft Word document. Now let me insert 3 pages. So let me go to layout, go to breaks, click on section break next page. Again go to layout, go to breaks, click on section breaks next page, and here I have 3 pages. Now let me click on my first page. Now go to design, go to page border, click on box border, and you may insert any style from here. Let me select this one. Let me select a color from here, and let me change the white from here, and let me click on this section and click on OK. Then you will see only on page covered with the border. Now let me click on this page, go to design, go to page border, let me select box border. Now let me go to art and let me select art from here, and you may change the white from here very easily. Let me select on 10 point and click on this section and click on OK. And only this page will be covered by this page border. Now let me select this one, go to page border, go to box border, and here you can select any style from here, or you can use any art. Let me select another style from here, select this one, go to color and select a color from here. You may change the white, and let me click on this section, click on OK, and here you will find that this section also covered a different page border. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.